only 3 minutes of flight time.
Good.
You gonna film it?
I'm filming it.
All right, take it off. Good one. Looks a little squirrely.
You know, a lot of low-wing airplanes have a yaw oscillation. This one seems to have that. I mean, I've never seen it on a model plane before, but that one does it just like some full-scale planes. See, it's hunting all the time.
Yeah, it is.
In the yaw axis. I don't think you can fix that unless you put a...
I mean, that was hands-free. I was not touching anything. I know it's a little windy, but not that much.
Some airplanes, like the V-tail Bonanzas, had yaw, something to correct the yaw oscillation.
So just to put in a stability system, maybe.
I don't know. That might help. That might help.
I don't know. It's pretty consistent with that wiggle, isn't it?
Yeah, there's nothing you can do. You can't overcome it.
Nobody ever claimed it was a great flyer. That's for sure. Jiggling around up here.
That's the first model airplane I've ever been
And
able
I
to
did not
physically
start my dang timer. So what'd you say, a minute?
What size battery you got?
I got about 3.5 minutes flight. 3,300.
3,300 3 cell?
Yep.
4 cell.
3 cell.
3,300 3 cell.
Gives me about.
Yeah.
I hadn't maxed it out yet, but.
Yeah, what are you flying on?
I flew 3 minutes last time, and I had about 30% left.
With 3.5 minutes?
Yeah.
I was going to get full out 5 minutes.
You've been going for about 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
About 3.
I guess I'm wearing right now, probably 80% now. That's what I guess. All right, y'all ready for the barrel roll?
I guess.
No, I'm teasing.
You've been going for about 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
2+.
I'm waiting for the radio. It'll tell me another minute's up. I'll come around for a landing.
Where's the barrel roll?
No, there's not going to be a barrel roll.
It's...
Want to see if it even turned the other way. Yeah, it does. I might have to learn to turn it that way.
You want fiberglass or anything?
No, it's 100% fine.
Just off.
Oh, it's got a couple of reinforcement spars in there.
Yeah.
It does.
How far out do we go?
It's a good question. You can kind of see where they are. Okay, I'm gonna be landing left to right. Uh-oh, now the wind's kicking up the other way.
The wind's a little bit out of the north.
Yeah.
You might want to go right to left.
I'm not very comfortable with right to left though.
Okay.
Is it start?
No, it's not very much.
All right, I'm gonna go around again.
A little high, huh?
Just trying to decide if that's really the way I want it to land. Oh, shoot, he's coming in. Oh gosh. All right, I got another minute. I need to come in. Hey, I'm having to land left to right.
Landing left to right.
He's taxiing back.
Hold on, he's right front.
Clear the runway.
I'll go around. But I got like maybe one more time. Then she is coming in. Please clear the runway. I'm losing some power here.
Clear.
Yeah, I'm losing power.
Drop it down there.
Hold it 1 foot off.
Float it.
Oh.
I just lost it. I mean, I was going the whole way the hard drive.
It stalled.